How to delete all voicemails on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to delete all voicemails on Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch settings on your device. Scroll down. Navigate to apps. Select app management option. Tap search bar at top of your screen and type in phone. Open the phone app info page. Scroll down, navigate to storage uses, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data and tap on delete. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Once done, tap on force stop and tap on force stop. By following these two ways, you will successfully delete all voicemails on Android phone. That was quite easy. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.